Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the important questions related with the cost accounting 5th semester. So here we will go with the introduction chapter, that is the first unit. The first unit is all about the theoretical part. The first important question is define cost accounting, explain nature, scope, importance, objectives, features, characteristics or function. He may ask any question, you have to write the same answer because the points are interrelated with each other. The same question may be asked as a define cost accounting, explain advantages and disadvantages or merits and demerits or limitations of the cost accounting. Same answer you have to write. The same question again may be asked as cost accounting is a tool of managerial planning and control, explain. Or he may ask the same question as cost accounting is an aid to the management, explain. So any question he is asking, you have to write the same answer, because if you are learning advantages and disadvantages, you can write the features, nature, scope, importance as the same points only. The second very important question is difference between cost accounting and financial accounting. This is very important question. Next one is essential principles of a good cost accounting system. It is very important question. For 4 marks, go with the cost center, fixed cost versus variable cost. These are very important questions from the first unit. And coming to the cost accounting, here there are more chances to get the two problems from the each unit, so more focus on the practical things rather than the theoretical point of view. Okay, next we will go with the unit 2 materials. Here my theoretical important question is what is material control and inventory control, explain objectives and techniques of inventory control. So in this technique we are having different techniques, that is level setting. Here you are going to explain about the reorder level, minimum order level, maximum reorder level, then average order level. These are the level setting things. And in this technique, second technique is economic order quantity, then JIT, ABC, VED, FSND, then double bin, etc. These are the different techniques. These techniques can also be asked as a separate 4 marks questions. So anything he is asking, you have to explain the same answer only. Next one, second important question is explain various pricing methods. Here you have to explain about the LIFO method, that is last in first out, and FIFO method, that is first in first out, and advantages and disadvantages of these pricing methods you have to explain. And one more important question is direct versus indirect cost is there. This is also one of the important question. So for problematic, be thorough with the LIFO, FIFO, weighted average, and simple average method. These four are very important from the problematic point of view. Next come to the third unit, which is related with the labor and overheads. Here one important question is there theoretically, that is what is wage payment, explain the methods of wage payment. Here you have to explain about the time rate, piece rate and incentive plans. Under incentive again you have to explain about the Halsey and Rowan plan, Merrick plan and Tyler's differential pay rate system. For short questions you may expect fixed versus variable cost, labor turnover, idle time and overhead. From this, for problematic point of view, we are having both overheads and labor, but focus on the labor more. We will get the practical question mostly from the labor only. Next come to the fourth unit, that is related with the unit and job costing. Here very important question is cost sheet and its format, advantages and disadvantages and features of cost sheet you have to read. Then job costing versus contract costing, that is differences, unit costing and tender you have to read for the 4 marks. For problematic, you more focus on the unit costing. Problematic unit costing is very important for 12 marks. And short answers, for short he is asking numericals from the job costing every time. So more focus for 12 marks is unit costing. Next come to the fifth unit, that is contract and process costing. Here the important question is difference between contract and process costing, advantages and disadvantages of contract and process costing. This is very important question. Then very important 4 mark question here every time he is asking in the examination is normal loss versus abnormal loss. So he may ask normal loss as 4 mark question or abnormal loss as a 4 mark question, or combinedly he may ask as the difference between normal versus abnormal loss. The notional profit, these are the very important questions. From the problematic point of view on this unit, focus more on the contract costing. This is very important. So this is all about the cost accounting important questions. Good luck everyone.